The attachment to material objects will cause us bondage to the material nature. But the same attachment when applied to devotee, that will become the cause of our liberation. Going back to the same point, why it will become the cause of liberation? Because by association with a devotee, we can become a devotee. Bhakti can be achieved only with the association of Bhakta. So that is the point he is actually making here. The devotional service, if you want to become a devotee, what is the means? If you perform great austerities, will you be able to become a devotee? Answer is no. If you perform all kinds of yogas, karma yoga, jnana yoga, dhyana yoga, will you be able to become a devotee? What is the means to become a devotee? What is the secret of becoming a devotee? Association. So this association again is synonymous to attachment. The more attached we are to a devotee, the more we will accept his qualities. The more we become attached to a devotee, the more we will accept his instructions and teachings. If I don't have faith in a devotee, I will not accept his teaching. But if I have faith in that person, then I will do whatever the person is telling me to do. So, that is why this attachment is the most important